Good morning, dear students. A very warm welcome to you. Today we start new chapter, chapter number 9, and name of the chapter is Browsing Internet. So open your computer book, page number 98. So now we start. Computers have emerged as the most effective communication tool due to the advent of internet. The internet enables us to exchange idea and share information with a large number of people in real time. Communication process has become easier and faster with the help of computer network. Now a computer network means two or more computers connected together with special cable or devices to share information. Now what is internet? Millions of computers around the world are connected to each other to share information. Internet stands for International Network. It has many features, but it is generally used as a means to communicate and search endless amount of information from unlimited number of sources. It is like a huge library that of Next topic, uses of the internet. It provides information, news on any topic. Next one, it allows us to send and receive messages, text, images, sound and video anytime and anywhere. Next one, we can have video as well as text chat with our friend using internet. Okay, video telephony with the help of a computer, internet and web camera. Next one, buy or sell new old goods. So we can sell and buy anything. Buy airline, railway, movie ticket online. Perform banking operation. Okay. Next one, check exam result. You know that CBSE result online now. So in short, we can say that the purpose of the internet is to make our life. So they are like Net Plus, very popular these days. And any web browser, Google Chrome, any web browser you can take. So these are basic requirements. Clear? So next topic is internet terms. First one, website. The information available on the internet is contained in websites and on web pages. So as a book contains a number of pages, similarly a website is a collection of related web pages linked to one another. So a website have many web pages. Next, what is web pages? Information is put on the internet is in the form of digital pages. We call it web pages. These pages may contain text, graphic, video, audio and links to other pages. Next one, home page. The main page of any website which contain link to other page is called home page. By default, it is in the first page of every website. So, first page is home page. Next one, web browser. Web browser is a software application or program that allow you to access the entire information available on the internet. Okay, you can visit any website by entering its URL in the address bar. Basically, address of that particular website. Browser make it very easy to move from one website to another. You can normally open your web browser from a shortcut on your desktop. Clear? For example, of some popular web browsers are Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, okay, Opera, etc. So one fact file is here. Larry Page and Sergey Brin, founders of Google. So now come to URL. To visit your friend's place, you need to know his address. Similarly, to visit any website, you need to know its address. Clear? Each website is identified by its unique address, which is known as the Uniform Resource Locator. So this is the full form. The URL should be entered in the address bar of a web browser. For example, www.cartoonnetwork.com and www.discoverychannel.com. Okay, are the URL of Cartoon Network and Discovery Channel. Clear? Next topic, ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. An ISP is a company which offer you to use internet in exchange of a monthly fee. It provides software, username and password to the user in order to connect to the internet. Next topic, address bar. The address bar appear at the top of every web browser. To visit a website, you need to put its URL on the address bar. Clear? To do this, place the cursor at the address bar and type the address. For example, www.wikipedia.org. As you finish typing, press the enter key. The website of Wikipedia appear as shown in the figure. Come to the next topic, World Wide Web. The World Wide Web refers to a network of sites on the internet which contain information in the form of text, picture, animation and videos. This information can be accessed by people all over the world. Topic is using a web browser. Okay, so let's start. So now student question arise, what is web browser? It is a software application or program that allow you to access the entire information. Okay, we can search any type of information, we can access any type of information by the using of web browser which are available on the web, which are available on internet. So this is the web browser. Okay, so now how can we use a web browser? Okay, so how can we use a particular web browser? So just look at here for that. Student, these days Google Chrome, which web browser? Google Chrome these days is one of the most popular and widely used web browser. We know that thing. You all are familiar with this web browser. I think in your phone also we are using this web browser. Okay, who developed Google Chrome? Google, very famous company. So who developed Google Chrome? Google Chrome developed by Google. Okay, so students, how can we use it? Okay, so you can open it either by double click on its icon on the desktop. You can see this is my desktop and this is the icon of Google Chrome. So by double click on its icon, I can open my web browser. Another way is also here. We have to click on start button. Okay, after that all program, then Google Chrome is there. Just select the Google Chrome. Okay, we know that to open any application we are having many way. So this is the two way. Now student, after opening the web browser, my web browser look like that. Now this is the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so now students, in this web browser we are having many buttons. Okay, firstly back button. What is this? So clicking on this button take you back to the previous page that you have already visited. Okay, just like your book. Okay, in your book we are having page number. If I'm on 100 page number and I want to go 99, then I just turn my page just like that. In Google Chrome we are having back button to go to the previous page. Next one, forward button. So clicking on the forward button will take you to the page that you were on before you press the back button. Okay, like if I'm on page number 99 and I again come to the page number 100, then we are having an option forward. Okay, which button? Forward button. To view the next page in a serial order, click on the forward button. If I want to go to the next page, then I have to use which option? Forward button. So back button for previous one and forward button for next one. Clear this thing? Now next one. So topic is reload this page. If I want to reload any page, then I'm having option reload this page. What is the meaning of this? Clicking on this button will reload the most recent version of the current page. Okay, if I'm on page number 1, it will reload the most recent version of page number 1. Means all the updation will contain that particular page. Clear? Next one, bookmark this page. We all are using bookmark. Okay, beautiful bookmarks is here in our book, in our notebook also, just like that. Here also, this option allow the user to store and organize the chosen website. Okay, to store and organize the chosen website so that she can revisit them anytime whenever needed. Just like we are using bookmark in our daily life, we can go to that particular page easily if bookmark is there. Clear? Next option, new tab. So clicking on this button allow you to open a web page in a new tab. Students, we can open many tabs in Google Chrome, okay, or any web browser. So new tab basically allow you to open a new web page in a new tab. Okay, you can also open a link in a new tab. How can I open any link? Just right click on the link and select the open link in new tab option. So you can see I'm just selecting open link new tab option. So by the using of this option, I can open that particular link in new tab. So clear? So this is my new tab. After that, I'm having another option, customize and control Google Chrome. So customize and control Google Chrome. Students, clicking on this button will display a drop down menu. You can see this is the drop down menu with several options. This drop down menu having several options. Now why we use this several option? To customize and control the Google Chrome setting. So we can control and we can customize the setting of our Google Chrome according to our need, according to our requirement. Okay, some of these options are, now we discuss these options. So first option is print. What is the first option? First option is print. So clicking on this option, print a copy of the web page you are viewing. I give you one example. If you are searching on any topic, like I'm searching on Dussehra, okay, then I got a very beautiful paragraph about the Dussehra and I want to print that particular paragraph. Then I'm having an option print. So print button basically used to print that thing. Okay. Next one, history. This option display a list of websites that you are visited recently. Student, you know that whatever I'm searching and whatever you are searching on internet, they contain a history. Okay, so this option display a list of website whatever you are searching recently. Next one, zoom. So the zoom option allow you to increase or decrease the size of the content of a web page. So I can increase and you can increase or decrease the size of the content of a web page by the using of which option? Zoom. Okay. Students, in zoom we are having plus symbol, okay, and minus symbol. We know that for plus symbol to zoom in means to increase the size, and minus symbol basically to zoom out means to decrease the size. So plus and minus symbol are here to increase and decrease the size of the content of a web page. Clear? And one more symbol is here, screen symbol. Okay, one more symbol is here, screen symbol. Why we use screen symbol? To click on the screen symbol, select the full screen mode. If I want to see full screen, then I am having which option? Screen symbol. Clear? Next one, more tools. After that, more tools are here. By clicking on this option, provide different option. Which type of options are here? Like save pages, okay, we can save it. Clear browsing data, so we can clear the browsing data. Task manager to manage the task, etc. So in more we are having more options are here. So clear this thing, revise this. Have a nice day. Thank you, students.